Let's answer these questions. Let's start with A. 27 written as a product of its prime factors will be 3 cubed. So this is like 3 cubed. And then to the power 2 over 3. Now we're raising a power to a power. So what do? We multiply the exponents. 3 to the power 3 times 2 over 3. Right? And then 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 3, 1. We remain with 2. So this is like 3 squared. And B, 3 to the power 2 over 3. And then we're raising a power to a power here. So we multiply the exponents. This will be times 3 over 2. In 2 over 3 times 3 over 2, we're multiplying reciprocals here. So we're getting 1. So 3 into 3, 1. 2 into 2, 1. So we're remaining with 1. And then C, raising a power to a power again. So it's q to the power x plus 3 times x minus 3. So this leads to difference of two squares. So it's going to be q to the power x squared minus 3 squared, which is 9. So it's q to the power x squared minus 9. And then D, the last one. So it's 2 to the power x times 1 over x. Multiply the exponents. It becomes 2 to the power x into x is 1. So we just remain with 1 there. So it's 2 to the power 1, which is equal to 2.